Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. I have a whole bunch of new bands here from the one and only Nomad. You guys know they make great cases, Apple Watch bands, charging solutions, absolutely everything. Love Nomad. I got sport bands, I got titanium bands, I even have active bands. We're gonna unbox them, get into them all. Now, I absolutely love the sport bands. You know, with it being summertime coming up, you're gonna be active, you might be swimming, whatever. It's nice to have a great sport band for whatever you're doing. It's not made out of some plastic, cheap material. It's rubber, 100% waterproof, interior ventilation channels, custom aluminum closure pin, designed for the Apple Watch Ultra, Ultra 2, Series 9, 8, 7, 6, SE, and all previous versions. Now, the one that I have here is for the 49 and the 45 millimeter. I do have two Apple Watch Ultras, and we'll be swapping all of the bands on here so you could see how it looks. Now, I even have the titanium band, natural hardware, grade 2 titanium, custom magnetic clasp, DLC scratch resistant, tool included to adjust the length, designed for the Apple Watch Ultra, Ultra 2, Series 9, 8, 7, 6, SE, and all the previous versions. Now, the one I have here is for the 45 and the 49 millimeter. Now, I absolutely love the titanium color because it's gonna go ahead and match the Apple Watch Ultra and even my iPhone Fitting Pro I got right here. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox each and every one of these, slap them on, see what they look like. All right, guys. Okay, we gotta start out with the Night Watch Red because this one's limited edition, which means it'll only be around for a limited time. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Love the packaging, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm digging that. Okay, got my Apple Watch Ultra 2 here. Let's go ahead and pop this on. Okay, put this here, locks in. This one on the bottom, locks in, and look at that. Look at that red. I'll bring it in a little closer so you can see. All right, here's a better look at it, a little closer. I'm gonna tell you right now, the red is a lot more vibrant in person than I see it's showing up on my camera there. You're gonna have to trust me on this one, but it looks amazing. Let me go ahead and put it on the wrist, see how it feels. Okay, I switched the mode a little bit on my camera to give you a better idea. The red looks good, and yeah, this is very secure. Snaps in where you want it, and look at that. It's not coming off. Having such an expensive watch, I'll be honest, I would only trust my Apple Watch Ultra 2 here with two bands. Either one's made by Apple or these by Nomad. And yeah, this is awesome. Look at that. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead and try on another color. So that was the Night Watch Red. And we have a little battle of the bands going on here. What? Okay, another color. Okay, next color up is Coastal Rock. This is kind of like a light sage. Yeah, and I'm digging this one. Let's go ahead and pop this on. All right, let's go ahead and put this on. Okay, about right there. And there we go. Loving it, loving it. Okay, let's get to the other colors. Next up, we have Marine Blue and Lunar Gray. Let's check them out. All right, really quick before I switch them all, this is the Lunar Gray right here. This is the Marine Blue, and this is the Coastal Rock. And yeah, I just wanted you to see them all right here side by side, so you can tell the nice subtle differences between them. Love them all, love them all. And here we are, Marine Blue, Lunar Gray, light gray. And yeah, here's the nice looking Marine Blue. In the comments, let me know what you think. I love them all. I don't have a favorite. It just depends on what you're wearing that day. Again, if you're gonna be active, you're gonna be rock climbing, let's say you're gonna be surfing, rollerblading, whatever. This is the band to to have. These sport bands, if you're active, playing pickleball, basketball, whatever, these are the bands you want to go with. Okay, let's see what this next sport band looks like. Loving the color over here. Okay, this next one is a limited edition Volta Strike sports band, and that's just cool. All right, let's open it up, see what it looks like. All right, continuing with the battle of the bands. We have the Volta Strike limited edition here, and look at this. I love how these are well made, secure, tough, rugged, and seamless. I mean, look at that. Perfect. This color, I'm digging this. I'm digging this. This might be the first one I use right off the bat, to be honest, you guys. I'm digging this. Okay, also really quick on the screen right there is my Twitter handle. Go ahead and slide into my DMs because I'm gonna be giving some of these away. Just tell me which color you want and I will ship it to you for free. What? All right, and here's the Volta Strike on my arm, limited edition. And yeah, this is like a lime green here with almost, yeah, I wanna say the lunar gray on the right-hand side. But doesn't that look good? Okay, last but not least, we have an active band and the titanium, titanium. Let's go ahead and check those out. Okay, so this is the Active Band Pro in a leather classic brown. Look at that. And this has silver hardware. You could choose between black or silver hardware. Would you look at that? Okay, let's go ahead and pop this on. All right, and would you look at that? And it matches, look at that, matches the Apple Watch Ultra 2 perfectly, which means it'll match your Apple Watch Ultra, the first gen. But look at that, I'm digging it. You know, gives it more of a upscale kind of classic look. I mean, what's more classic and timeless than a nice brown leather strap, you know? That looks good. All right, let's go ahead and check out this titanium band. All right, got the titanium here, and I want you to see the link removal tool is included in case you need it. So as you open up the package here for the titanium band, they have some tool accessories located here and here. You can take those out on top of the device here, the actual tool itself. Okay, go ahead and remove that. And then if you're worried on how to do it, if you want to remove or add a link, you could just go ahead and look at the instructions right here, which Nomad has already included for you. What? Are these guys thought out or what? Step-by-step instructions. These guys thought of everything. All right, after about 5 minutes with their tool, removed about that many links from me, from my wrist, and yeah, go ahead and close this. It's got a magnetic clasp, so you can see right here, and it locks into place, nice and tight, secure, and you're good to go. And yeah, that titanium band is nice. Look at that, seamless. And then to take it off, you just squeeze in on the sides right here. But look at that. All right, you guys, out of the battle of the bands here, which one do you like the best? And don't forget, there's my Twitter handle on the screen. Go ahead, slide into my DMs and let me know which band you would like, because I'm gonna go ahead and send out a few. But please, don't pick the titanium one, because I would love to keep this one for myself. But you know, the channel is about you guys. I do these videos for you, so I'm gonna give you some freebies. All right, our good friends over there at Nomad did it once again. And for all of your Apple Watch accessories, charging needs, phone chargers, cables, everything, absolutely everything you need, cases for your phone, go to the one and only nomadgoods.com and you see their website right there. But I'm loving this. All right, guys.